This month, residents in two rural Siouxland communities learned they would have to travel farther for health care. KTIV's Kaylee Doms explains why.
UnityPoint Health announced the changes in Anthon and Kingsley earlier this month. UnityPoint has told community members that the Anthon clinic is closing due to its longtime provider retiring after 39 years. They also announced Moville's clinic is set to consolidate with the clinic in Kingsley. But there are a lot more questions surrounding Moville's clinic because it's only 3 years old. This is video of the groundbreaking back in November of 2023. As for why UnityPoint Health is no longer using this location, they did not give a reason. Residents say this clinic is very important to the community because they were a huge driving factor in getting it open. Community members say the goal was to provide more accessible health care, not only to Moville, but to the surrounding communities as well.
With how new it is, really, that we're already shutting down, it's just kind of like, especially with how involved the community was with building the new building and it moving from Main Street down here, and it's just unfortunate.
Residents say while Kingsley is only about a 15-minute drive,
there's a lot of older people in Moville that can't get around,
that don't necessarily have the means to get themselves to Kingsley. In a statement to KTIV, UnityPoint Clinic's Vice President Lynn Brown said in part, quote, "These adjustments support our ongoing efforts to maintain access to high-quality care in the community. By bringing our clinics together, we are able to focus team members and resources in a way that ensures an exceptional patient experience." As for when these locations actually close, Moville's set to close their doors on July 1st, Anthon July 6th. In Moville, Iowa, Kaylee Doms, KTIV News 4.
Kaylee, thanks. Well, that groundbreaking was back in 2023. Now, the clinic in Moville has been operating since 2019, but under the leadership of Mercy One. That was until September 2025 when UnityPoint Health acquired all of Mercy One. That included 4 rural clinics, Kingsley, Correctionville, Anthon, as well as Moville. As for what's next for Moville, the committee that owns the building says they hope to have a new family practice operating there in the next few months.